What is going on, everybody? Yvonne here, and today we're going to cover one of the most powerful solutions for creators out there, Whop. Whop is a place where you can host a community and make some passive income as well. It's a really powerful platform, and the fact that it has such a low barrier of entry is just mind-boggling to me. So today we're going to be doing a tutorial of step-by-step on how to list and sell you guys digital products on Whop. Now, because this is a step-by-step tutorial, if you guys do want to follow along with everything that I'm doing, there's going to be an exclusive link down in the description for you guys to click on, and it's going to lead you to this page right over here. And once you guys are here, go ahead and select the answers that kind of apply to you. So with what you're selling and the name of your guys' Whop. So in my case, it's going to be test. Let's go ahead and press continue. Now there's going to be different templates you can choose from that range from fitness coaching to trading. However, I just want to show you guys a little bit more into the weeds of how it works. So let's go ahead and create our own from scratch. Let's create it here. Boom. Alrighty. Now we're locked in. Now there's going to be a lot of available options for us here, but let me go through the steps of what I would personally do if I was just getting started. So the first thing that I would do is just go to add apps right over here and go ahead and add a chat to your guys' platform. That way you can chat and interact with people in your guys' community. And once you guys get this installed, there's going to be 3 different options here at the top for you guys with setup, previous user, and access. So from here on, you guys can select on who can actually react, who can post, or even block certain URLs. And if you guys want to see how it looks like, you can go ahead and preview as a user right over here. So test, hi, boom. And the chat is live. And if we want to go ahead and modify the access, right, we can go ahead and choose from free community to even paid or private, depending on who's going to have access to that specific chat. Now, it depends how you guys want to set it up, because sometimes folks have a free chat that's able to lure people in, right, to later on buy the paid offer, or you can just go ahead and start with the paid version right away. For most of you guys that are watching this video, you probably want to make money, so let's go ahead and go through the paid version. But in order for us to actually go through the paid version, people actually need something to pay for, right? So we kind of need to create the product first. So let's go ahead and create the product here. Let's make it paid. All right, it's going to be subscription, right? We want those monthly recurring revenues, and the price is going to be $1, right? You can go ahead and select the subscription period that you're going to have. You can also add a free trial, initiation fee, split pay, different stuff like that. Let's go ahead and press continue. Now, depending on your guys' business model, you can have the price be visible, hidden, or hidden with a password, right? Kind of depends on what you guys want to do. But since $1 is pretty cheap, let's just go ahead and make it visible. So let's press continue, and boom, our product is done. Let's press done. Now you might be asking yourself, Yvonne, what is my product, right? I didn't actually enter any type of value add or product in there. Where is it? So the way that this platform works, you have to install different apps, and they all work with one another to provide that user experience. So far, we got the chat installed, but let's go ahead and create a course in there so people that actually subscribe to your guys' platform can go ahead and see something. All we got to do to initiate that, let's just go ahead and press add apps. Let's download courses, and boom, we're going to be ready to rock. And as you guys see, there's going to be the same 3 options here: setup, previews, user, and access. And there's also going to be an analytics tab right over here. So let's go ahead and create our first course. This is going to be testing. Press continue. Our course tagline is make money, get rich. Press continue. We love dollars. That's going to be the best description we can possibly write. So let's go ahead and press continue. Alrighty, it's live. So let's go ahead and take a look around. Alrighty, now as you guys see, it's pretty straightforward to build chapters, lessons, making sure that the whole thing is streamlined. We can go ahead and upload an image, change our settings, or even require the lessons to be completed in order. So as you guys see, a chapter has multiple lessons built into it. That way, everything can stay neat and organized, and you can very easily upload a video, attachments, or anything else you want to add. If we want to go ahead and add something, all we got to do is just press new lesson right over here, and it's going to give us multiple options. I personally think that multimedia is best because, I mean, if you only have text or just an image or just a PDF, it can get boring pretty fast. But if we're utilizing all of them, that can keep the user engaged, and that way you have the best results for them. So let's go ahead and create lesson here, and boom. So the platform gives you guys a template, and that way everything is nice and concise. So it's going to give you a place to upload a video or any type of attachments. And you guys got to keep in mind that there are so many other apps out there. We possibly don't have time to go through every single one of them, but I'd go ahead and go through them one by one and see exactly which one applies to your guys' business. The ones that I find the most useful are going to be forums, because that way you can actually create and share a post with your guys' community. And the other one, if we scroll down right over here, is going to be the website embed, because that way you can actually have people lead to your guys' website where that can be a little bit more customized. And jumping right over here, if we go to products, so as you guys see, the only product that we've created is going to be this test product right over here. It's going to be priced at $1 a month. There's going to be 0 active users so far, so we got to go get and market this thing. And if we want to press on test right over here, we can actually have different pricing options as well. It's going to be really important to make sure that we include the courses of what's going to be included in our product, because that way if you're paying for something, you want to make sure it's there. So what I'd personally do is just go to courses right over here, press add. So any type of value add that you're adding in those courses is going to be available once that person actually pays. And if you guys want to be fancy with it, you can always modify your pricing option right over here with a simple click of a button. Now, how does this whole thing actually look like, right? When people actually interact with your guys' stuff. So if you guys go to edit store right over here, think of it as a landing page, right? That is going to be the very first thing that people see about you guys. This is Whop style in a way, so other pages are also designed this way. But from here on, you can modify you guys' store name, tagline, description, features, right? Different stuff like that. But this is really important because this is exactly what people are going to see about you and your guys' first impression. So if we want to make mad dollars, you got to make sure that this looks legit, because if it doesn't, no customers are going to purchase from you. So as you guys are setting up your website, think of this as like a centralized hub for everything, right? We got to make sure that this looks good, so that way we can actually move more products. Something that I'd like to know is that it's really important to separate you guys' paid features and free features. This is because the communities are probably going to be different and you're going to be nurturing them with different types of content. So the chats are going to be different, the courses are going to be different, the whole thing is going to be different. So the question is, how do we actually separate the two? So what I would do right over here, as you guys see, chat, course, right, drag them with one another, and boom, we have a folder created. Let's go ahead and rename this folder $1. But if I want to go ahead and add more apps here, I can go here, add another chat, right? Everyone has access to it, preview, and let's make it free. So now this is going to be our free community. And the free community, the goal with this one is to make sure that we streamline people to the actually $1 paid community. Boom. And if we want to add courses to it as well, let's go ahead and add an app. Alrighty, now let's take this course and we're going to drag it on top of this chat right over here. Boom. And this is going to be our free pipeline. Nice. Now we're going to be ready to rock. So we have a free pipeline that's feeding into our $1 product, right? And that's going to make us mad dollars. And if you guys want to see on how the whole thing is doing, what I'd personally do is just go to the analytics tab right over here. And you guys are able to see all of your students, right? Completion, last active, start date, different stuff like that, as well as the lessons as well. That way you can know on what to double down on, and at the same time, how to keep your students engaged. They're actually paying you along the way. And if you guys want to see on how the whole thing is doing overall, just go to the dashboard right over here. And there's going to be a ton of different things, all the way from users here to links to milestones, growth hacks, marketing, right? So many different options. Think of you guys as users as like a CRM. That way everything is one centralized place when it comes to you guys as users and you guys as customers. But more importantly is if we go to operations right over here, you guys are able to see all the reviews, questions, cancellation reasons, or even a resolution center when it comes to their issues. This is going to be really important to increase the lifetime value of you guys' services to make sure that you guys as users stay for the long run. And as you guys are marketing through different channels, it's going to be really important to set up some of the marketing techniques right over here through affiliates, tracking links, promo codes, and that way you know exactly where are people coming from and which channel is working for you guys. And check it out, if we go to milestones right over here, there's going to be different rewards here that we can get depending on how much we can sell. So with this one in particular, if we sell 10 grand worth in 30 days, boom, we get a really cool prize. And let's check out what the reward is. Oh man, it's going to be a trip to New York City. Alrighty, here we come. That dollar pizza that we can get our subscribers is going to be really good. Let's close this out, but there's going to be a lot of other prizes as well that you guys can check out here. And there you have it, folks. That was a step-by-step tutorial on how to sell your digital products on Whop. It's such a powerful yet easy platform for you guys to use, and it's going to be a complete no-brainer if you guys want to launch some type of course. If you guys do want to try out the platform, there is going to be an exclusive link down in the description for you guys to try out completely for free. So please go through that link as it tremendously helps support the channel. As many of you guys know, on this channel, we make videos about different tools and platforms to help you grow and start your guys' business. So if you did get some value out of this, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Till next time, peace.